Now, moving to decision constructs. We are having if else. Okay, so if else construct. Now, what is the use of if else construct? Sometime we need to do a decision, and based on the decision result, we want to do something. For example, even an odd number. Even an odd number. I'll take a input from user. I'll take a input from user and I'll check it is a even or odd. Okay. So how we are going to do it? First, always remember guys, one big tip I want to give you. If you want to succeed as a software developer, you need to do two things. Or if you want to become project manager, architect, you need to do two things. First, you need to think as a customer, not as a developer. The day you will start thinking as a customer, you can see all the problems a customer can face. And second thing, if you want to understand any domain, you see where from the money is coming into the domain. Okay? The day you will understand how the money is flowing, you will understand the domain very easily. Okay? So always think where from the money is coming and how it is flowing, and think as a customer point of view or user point of view. Because as a developer, we are hi-fi, we know lots of things. But you can have a different kind of user who don't know anything. So that's the reason you need to create a system which anyone can use, not only the experienced people. Okay? So this always remember. And then I have to check. So how I can check? If num m%. See what is m%? It returns the reminder. So after dividing num by 2, what is the reminder? If it is equal to 0, that means what? It is an even number. Make this little good. I can say num is a even number. Else is a odd number. Remember, you always don't need a else block after if. Okay? It is not mandatory to have a else block. You can have only if block. You can have multiple if blocks. If this, then this. If this, then this. Else part is optional. Okay. Second, you can have nested if. That means one if inside another if. Okay. And as well as while doing the testing, the second type of if I'll show you. While doing the testing, you can add multiple condition in one if by using and or operator. We'll see that later on. I'll say 34 is an even number. Let's start once again. 13 is an odd number. So what is happening, first it is coming and checking. It's dividing the number by 2, and what is the remainder? That is the result of this modulus operator. Division is different, modulus is different. Here this will return how many times it is able to divide. Okay, and not the remainder. This is after dividing what is left, 0 or 1. That's the only option. Then you can say, and then we are doing compare. Now I can say and n- and num is equal to 0. Then it is an even number. So just it's a dummy. Don't understand this condition, more about the condition. How it is going to work. First, this will check the condition. If this is true, then only it is going to check the condition. If first condition is false, it is not going to check the second condition. Okay? If first condition is true, then only second condition is going to be checked. And if both are true, then this will execute. If the first one is false, or if any one of this false, the else part will execute. Okay? Now, we can change this by an OR symbol. What is the use of OR? OR means either of this condition is true, then true part will execute, else false part will execute. Got it? So if it is greater than 70, then it is excellent. If it is less than 70 and greater than 60, first. If it is less than 50 and greater than 60, then pass, else fail. So this is kind of condition. So how to write the code? So in place of this, I'll say enter average. Now we need to check multiple condition. Okay. So I have to check if this number is greater than 70, greater than equal to 70. Okay. So this is called comparison operator. I'll say console.writeLine. Excellent. Now next condition, how I'll check. Now if this is false, then only I want to check yes. If else, if the second condition, that means if this is true, the loop will break here only. It will not go next. If this is false, is to go and check this one. What do we need to check? If num is greater than equal to 60 and less than 70. Sorry, this is I'm writing SQL code, my mistake. So I'll say console.writeLine, and you need to give the, this is going to be first division. Again one more condition. Else if number is greater than 50, greater than equal to 50 and number is less than 60. So in this condition, what I want to do, I'll say console.writeLine, pass. Apart from this anything, I'll not check anything. Why? Because if doesn't matching all these conditions, that means what? User is fail. Understand? So understand the loop. First, who is creating WhatsApp group? Bharat, you are creating? Can you create Bharat for me? Can you add these numbers in a WhatsApp group? Okay, go ahead Naveen. You can do that. Bharat, please, Naveen is doing. Fine. So let's run this. Inter average, I'm telling 76%. This is excellent. Let's check 65%, first division. Let's check 60, first division. Let's go for 59, pass. Let's go for 50, pass. Let's go for 49, fail. So what it is doing, if the first condition is true, the condition is satisfied, remaining other code will not execute. Understand? So this is called if else if. If else or only if